Well, also in Most Buffalo today, the Erie County Board of Elections held a hearing today to determine whether or not Mayor Byron Brown could be allowed on the November ballot on the independent line. That would have allowed the mayor to be printed on the ballot, but things didn't go well for the mayor's campaign, at least for now. 2 on your side, Steve Brown was at the meeting and shares what happened there today. Steve.
Well, it was a bit of a setback for the mayor. For right now, Byron Brown will remain off the ballot for the November elections. Today's hearing settled on Brown's petitions to get on the ballot after losing the Democratic primary to India Walton. Those petitions arrived at the Board of Elections 10 days ago, almost 3 months after the deadline. The attorney for the Brown campaign, Jerry Goldfeder, argued that when state election law was changed 2 years ago, it made the petition deadline too early and violated the constitutional rights of Brown and voters. And what Goldfeder urged the 2 election commissioners to do about the petitions was nothing, claiming only the courts could sort this matter out. Both election commissioners disagreed and rejected Brown's bid to be on the ballot.
If I have somebody showing up tomorrow with petitions for every office in this county, we would have utter chaos here if we start to, accept things past deadlines that are set by the New York State Legislature months in advance. So I would agree with Commissioner Moore, and I would rule to invalidate as well.
Thus ends round 1 of this fight. The Brown campaign was already anticipating a court battle to get on to the ballot. We do not have word where or when that will happen, but based on today's comments, it appears the venue will be federal court. Kate?
Yeah, so Steve, was this a surprising outcome? And what was the reaction from India Walton's campaign about this?
I don't think it was terribly surprising for both of the campaigns participating in this and some of the folks that were objecting to Brown's petitions. But India Walton's campaign was essentially, they released a statement last hour, which essentially said, I told you so. These weren't, this wasn't going to work. But it did not acknowledge the court challenge to come. Now, the deadline for setting the ballot, just generally speaking, comes up on September 9th. So it can't be a lengthy battle. If Brown were to ultimately win and get on the ballot, they have to print these up. So we expect something of an expedited appeal to probably federal court. Kate?
So like you said, round 1, there's more to come here.
Many more.
All right, Steve, thank you.